Now, have you ever written a letter, but then you can't find an envelope to mail it in? Here's how you can turn your letter into the actual envelope that you send. Let me show you how. So after you write your letter, you want to fold this corner up. Okay? And then unfold it, and then fold the other corner up. And then unfold it. Okay? Flip it over. And then what you want to do is take these two corners to meet up with the little folds that you just made. You see there's a large X on your paper. Okay, and you want to go ahead and fold that up. Make your creases nice and tight using your fingernails or the side of a pencil. Okay, and then unfold it. Now you should have what looks like a mountain. Okay, in origami this is actually called a water bomb base. So once you have your mountain, go ahead and fold it like this. Okay. All right, and make your corners nice and sharp. Okay, and now take one flap and fold it up. And then take the other flap and fold it up as well. Okay, and now you're going to take one of your flaps and then open it like this and then lay it flat so it turns it into a square. Okay, so I'll do that again. Take this flap, open it up, and it will actually turn into a square just like that. Okay, so that's what we have. We have two squares with little diagonal lines on them. Okay, and now what we're going to do is take this flap here from the square, okay, and we're going to fold it up. And here's another one, fold that up. Okay, and now you have this little inner triangle. Go ahead and fold that down. So after you folded your triangle down, you want to fold this big triangle up and over everything. Okay, so you have all this work that we just did in here. You're going to fold this up and over, and then tuck this top tip inside. Just like that, so it's nice and neat. Here, I'll show you again. Okay, so it did look like this. Fold it up, and then tuck the tip in just like that. We're almost done. This is the bottom part of our envelope. Now what we need to do is fold the sides in, okay, just like that, and we're going to fold the other side in, just like that. And now our last little step is to make the part of the envelope that's going to fold in, okay, and you do that by folding these top little flaps in, okay, and now take the tip and tuck it in. Now, once you get good at this, you'll be able to do this in no time. Flip it over. You can put your address, your stamp, and your return address on here as well. The larger the piece of paper, the larger the envelope. Go ahead and give that a try.